So, welcome to the BEERMAT challenge. This is something that our local modelling group is running, where you can build anything you like as long as it will fit on a BEERMAT. So that's 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Now, as you can see, I've used a 10 centimetre circular coaster as a base for mine. Now, I really enjoyed making this, and I know a lot of people that watch this channel are also crafters. So I thought it might be something that you guys may like to get involved with. So I'm thinking if you want to join in and participate and make your own BEERMAT build, we'll set a deadline of, say, end of July. Because I know the model group that we're in, their deadline is the 21st of July. But as I'm only putting this out there now, we'll give it till the end of July. And what I've done, I've opened my community page here on this YouTube channel, and I figured you can post your finished builds on there, along with your YouTube link or Insta link, whatever, Insta, like I'm cool or something, your Instagram link, wherever you usually would show your work, so that anyone that sees your post can then know where to go to follow the rest of your builds. Also, if we do get many people actually taking part, I'll be sure to include them in a video that I'll put up probably in August sometime, I think. You know, after the challenge has ended. I have had to put like a hold for review on the comments that go on the community page, just in case we get like scammers and spammers on there. I thought that was for the best, probably. So like I said, you can build whatever it is that you want. I've seen some progress pictures from people in our modelling group, and there is such a vast array of different ideas, from like Warhammer to some sort of spacecraft, aeroplanes, trucks, such a variety. As for me, as you can probably see, I've gone for kind of a Hobbit Hole, I guess. It wasn't meant to be a Hobbit Hole originally, it just ended up this way. It was actually supposed to be a home for this little model of Beatrice the Witch from Dark Souls that I had. I wanted to make her a little house and maybe a garden. And then I ended up just getting carried away. It ended up looking like something from the Shire. And now she kind of looks a bit out of place on it, so I've had to put her back in the box. Sorry, Beatrice. Maybe you'll get a home one day. I did, however, use a treasure chest from the board game, which you can see here now, because I thought it'd just look quite nice in the garden, you know? I am going to try and get the Dino Lord involved. I know he does want to, and he's got some ideas of what he'd like to make, but it just depends how much free time he's got, because he's quite busy at the moment with work and stuff, so fingers crossed he'll get one done as well. That would be awesome. But I had a great time on this. I got to do loads of stuff that I enjoy doing. The flocking, I love adding grass, putting little flowers and stuff on it. It was nice to do something cute and pretty. After just having finished the Fallout Power Armor helmet, I like to kind of have a bit of variety, so I'll do like one thing that's a bit more kind of hardcore, and then I need my time to do something like Diddy and sort of cute, you know? So this was a nice change for me. Hopefully you like it, and hopefully you want to take part. I'd really like to see other people's BEERMAT builds. And I look forward to maybe seeing some updates in the community tab, see how everyone's getting on if you decide to do it. So I hope it was okay that I didn't actually talk about the build while I was showing it in the video on this one. And hopefully I've not waffled on for too much as well. So with my BEERMAT build finished, we can take a look at the final results. If you like it, maybe give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys, and take care.